My name is Mariah, and this is the ProTech building. And we have an auto shop here, and I'll be taking you on a tour. Here in the auto shop, we have the new side and the old side. This is an add-on to our older shop that has 4 bay doors and 3 lifts. Right now, we're able to do both projects brought in by students, projects brought in by teachers, and our own vehicles that we have and are owned by the auto program. We have our 4-point lifts, we have our 2-point lifts, we have all sorts of lifts over here. We do have standards requiring lifts to be within certain specifications. We have all of that cleared through OSHA. We have a lot of toys, definitely a lot of toys. We have all bays are ventilated through specific ventilation shafts, and we also have sensors that sensor the entire auto shop itself. In case somebody leaves a vehicle running, it'll catch and make sure that we're not breathing enough exhaust to make someone pass out. In our old shop, we have one large bay door and one of the most up-to-date alignment machines that's possible in Riverton. In the older shop, we have all specified electrical equipment that needs to be here. We have our own material safety data sheets that are required by law. And we also have our own computer room, which is basically the break room, own fridge equipped with our own microwave and whatnot. We're able to actually use these computers and the data on the internet, such as, if we go here, we're able to log into all data, which takes it takes a lot of the information known through owner's manuals and vehicles and other service bulletins from vehicles. See, if we go here, we can enter in a specific vehicle, such as maybe a 2010, how about a BMW? And we can put in a convertible, put in a specific engine size, and it'll bring up maintenance information, technical service bulletins, specifications. This is extremely helpful working in shop because when you're going through a vehicle, you're not always going to have an owner's manual, but when you can look on the internet, it makes it 10 times easier. Another program that we use is Mitchell's. Mitchell's one is basically like all data, except if you can't find something there, you might be able to find it too. In the ProTech building, we also have a welding lab. Currently they're in class, so it's a little bit noisy, so we're going to have to film in there in just a little bit.